In this 5-minute video, you'll learn how King at Law's flat fee billing works and how it compares to traditional hourly rate attorneys. Users of our do-it-yourself service pay a fee for each attorney consultation and each set of documents created in the app. Clients with no disputes pay a flat fee upfront for a contract or divorce decree. Clients with disputes pay a flat monthly fee on a payment plan. This video will focus on the payment plan for disputes, but all of our pricing is on our website.
First, we'll explain how other family law firms charge. With other lawyers, you start by making a payment for $3,000 to $10,000 into the lawyer's trust account. Each month, the lawyer takes money out of the trust account based on hours and expenses spent on your case. Usually they charge about $400 per hour, plus expenses. When the money you put into the trust account runs out, the lawyer stops working on your case until you pay more into the trust account. The cycle repeats until you cannot afford another payment or the case is done. This amounts to writing a blank check. The lawyer infers that first payment is all your case will cost. In actuality, they can charge whatever they want, which is usually thousands more every month or two. They don't offer any financing or payment plan. Each month, the client gets a different invoice for an unexpected amount they didn't budget for. Most clients run out of money halfway through their case. Also, the law firm is incentivized to rack up hours, not results, so they often create huge bills doing things inefficiently, or just allow you to waste their time and your budget.
Now let's go over how King at Law's flat fee payment plan is different. You can determine what your monthly fee would be by going to our website, kinglawnc.com, and clicking on the fee calculator about halfway down. Select disputes and check the claims and complications relevant to your case. As you select options, your flat monthly fee will update below. In most cases, it is somewhere between $300 to $1,000 per month. Most routine expenses are included in your flat fee. This includes administrative expenses like court fees, subpoena fees, and service of process expenses. Your half of one mediation and one real estate appraisal are also included. Other professionals like expert witnesses or anything else the court orders you to pay are not included. In the next step of the fee calculator, use the sliders to see how long your payment plan would continue after your case is done. The duration of your payment plan depends on the duration of your case and how many days we spend at mediation or hearings. Most payment plans run for 1 to 5 years after the case is done. The final step provides a quick tool to see if we think you can afford a lawyer using our payment plan. Check any applicable boxes and enter what you estimate your and your ex's gross monthly income to be.
Misusing your attorney's time is prohibited by our contract. This includes asking us to get involved in excessive or day-to-day communications with the opposing side, as well as work not related to the courthouse. Additionally, with some exceptions, King at Law will only meet with you every 2 weeks.
To recap, we don't believe in the hourly rate approach most law firms use, which is essentially asking you to sign a blank check to pay whatever the lawyer demands. Our approach in disputed cases is to offer a payment plan with a flat monthly fee that includes most expenses. This way, you have a predictable monthly fee you can plan and budget for. How long the payment plan runs depends on how long your case takes and how many days we spend at mediation or hearings. Still have questions? Text us at 919-706-5322 or schedule a Zoom consultation with King at Law.